In this video, we'll show you how to make a Game Pass in Roblox Mobile. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And make sure you watch the guide right until the end, and let's hop straight into this. Here we are on Roblox Mobile, and what's really important to note is that this guide is going to work on any type of mobile device, regardless of the type, whether it be iPhone, Android, or any type is going to work. So the first thing you need to do is actually go and open up a browser. You can't go and do this video in the Roblox app, unfortunately, so let's go and get out of this and go to a browser, and you need to go to roblox.com, just like so. And then once you're here, you need to go and click continue in browser just at the bottom there, go and tap on it, and you'll need to then go and sign into your account. And then once you sign in, you'll be greeted by this page again, and then all you need to do is press on continue in browser once again, and here we are. Now what is important to note is that you do need to request the desktop version of Roblox, otherwise it may go and give you a mobile version. So if you're on an Android, you need to go to the top right, press on the three dots and click request desktop site. If you're on an iPhone, you need to go and press on these two A's just in the search bar here, and then you need to go and click request desktop site, just like this, and then here we are. So once you've done that, then all you need to do is go up to the top where we've got this row of options, discover, avatar shop, create, and Robux. What you need to do is press on create. Now, if you haven't pressed on create before, you may go and get this weird screen saying like start creating. Below that's going to be an option for manage my experiences. I haven't got that option because I've gone to the create page before my account. But if you've got the option, just go below the main box and press manage my experiences or manage my creations, and you'll be taken here. Then once you're on the create page, all you want to do is press on my creations. It should automatically be selected. And then under that list here, you want to go and click on passes. Passes stands for game passes, so we can then go and create one. And as you can see, we've got this option here for going and creating a game pass. And just before we go and create the game pass, if you want to go and create a game pass for a specific game, then all you need to do is go and click on select from public experiences. It's going to go and show you all of your games. By default, you're always going to have this one here, so you can go and create one if you're trying to make it for a game like Please Donate. It doesn't matter which experience you use, but it may be a case where you're trying to make it for a specific experience if you're trying to sort of customize your own game. Anyways, come to create a pass just like so, and the first thing you need to do is go and choose an image. So I just took a photo of my microphone just like so, but you can upload a logo or another image of what you want to go and use on Roblox. Just make sure it goes and fits in their guidelines and it isn't explicit or rude or anything like that. Then you need to go and name it. So this is going to be the actual name of the pass. So if it's a game pass for a certain game, then go and name it to do with that game. And then for the description, you can go and describe what it's for, if it's for a specific game or, you know, what it actually provides to the user. I just put I'm not sure, it's just an example. And then all you need to do is press preview. And this is going to show you what the pass looks like with the title, the description and the image. As you can see, it's called Epic Donation. The description is I'm not sure, and the target experience is GuideRealm's place. That really doesn't matter though, unless you're making it for a specific game. And then if you're happy with that, all you need to do is press verify upload, and now it's going to go and create it. So we've now gone and created the Game Pass, but if you want to go and put it on sale, there is another step. So if you want to go and list it so people can buy it, and you can use it in games like Please Donate, then all you need to do is scroll across the page just like so, and you want to go and click on the settings cog, make sure it's the right one. As you can see, Epic Donation, click here, and then go and click configure, and then it's going to go and take you to the configuration page. And all you need to do is press on general and go and change that to sales. We want to go and put it for sale so we can go and sell it, and then Robux, so go and switch it on just like so. And then all you need to do is set the price. What is important to note is that Robux will take 30% and you'll keep 70%. So make sure you're happy with the price that you're going to get after it's been taxed, and then you can go and press save, and there we go, it's now for sale. So if we go and press go to details, this is now going to show us the listing. As you can see, the image hasn't quite loaded yet, but it will soon. It says the title and then the description, and then people can go and buy it. Because we created it, it's automatically in our inventory. You can also go and copy the link as well by tapping on it, and then you can go and press copy, and then you can go send it to people, but you can also go and view it in your experiences on the shop as well. So there's lots of different ways to go and view it. So there we go, guys. Leave a like for more. Peace.